Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 2 Prepare Weekly Sales. In this project description, the Red Bluff Golf Course and Pro Shop sells products ranging from the golf club and accessory to clothing, displaying the club logo. In addition, the Pro Shop collect fees for rounds of golf and services such as lessons for golf pro. John Skilling, manager Alita Harriet, needs to track Pro Shop sales by category on the day-by-day basis. Sales, at least to some extent, are a reflection of traffic in the Pro Shop and can be used to help to determine staffing requirement on different days of the week. In addition, summary sales data can be compared to inventory investment to determine whether the product mix is optimal given the demand of the clientele. Each item or service at time of the sale is recorded in the Pro Shop point of sale system. At the end of each day, the POS system produced a cash register report with the categorized sales for the day. This is the data source of the each day's sales for the worksheet. Alita has created an initial layout for a sales analysis workbook, but she needs you to finish it. So that's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Excel Chapter 2 prepares weekly sales. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file, that's our file. Creator, I already added my last name to the beginning of the file name, you see here. So we will go to the second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, or Cengage course, or if you need help in Excel assignments, PowerPoint assignment, Word assignment, or SS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon, or if you scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. We will move to now our second step. To be value, information must be communicated effectively. Effective communication of the information generally requires the information is formatted in a manner that aids in proper interpretation and understanding. On the weekly sales sheet, so we will go to the weekly sales sheet, that's our weekly sales sheet. What he is asking, format the cell B6 to H6 with the accounting number format. We will go select the B6 to H6. That's our cell B6 to H6. We will apply the accounting number format on this accounting number format and press OK. We applied B6 to H6 accounting number format. Format the range B7 to H8 with the comma style. We will select B7 to H8. B7 to H8. We will apply comma cell style and format the range C29 to C30, C33, C36 to C38 with the percentage style. Increase decimals once, so we will select C29. We will go downside C29 to C31. Then C33, and what the other cell he is asking, C29 to C30, C33, C36 to C38, C36 to C38. What we need to apply? We will C29 to C30 only two cells. With the percentage cell style increase decimal once, so we will apply Control plus 1. We will select percentage style with the 1 decimal places and press OK. So we applied in the required cell the percentage style. That's our second step. We will move to our third step. Negative number often require more than parentheses or a hyphen to sell attention to effect that a value is less than 0. Format cells C31 and C34 with the currency with 0 decimal places. We will select C31. That's our C31 and C34. We will apply currency cell style with the 0 decimal places and press OK. We applied currency cell style. Format the cell range B20 to H22 with the numbers 2 decimal places and use thousand separator. So we will select B20 to H22. That's our cell B20 to H22. We need to apply number format with the number with 2 decimal places and use thousand separator. With negative number, select the red number format. So we will select use thousand separator, and with the negative number you select in the bracket. So fourth one, red one, fourth, and press OK. So we applied our required cell style on this. That's our third step. Our fourth step is Excel stores our data and time as a number in which the digit to the left decimal places are number of complete days since January 1, 1900. Date and time formatting allow Excel date value to display in a fashion that allow human interruption. Cell B4 is unformatted date in Excel. Format cell B4 with the short date format. So we will go to the cell B4. That's our cell B4. We will press 1. We will select the date format and we will select the short date format. That's our short date format. Using the fill handle, copy through the B4 to H4. So we will press OK. And if using the fill handle, copy this one to B4 to H4 and auto fit column widths as necessary. Select the columns and auto fit its width. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is on Harley Sales Sunday worksheet. So we will go to the Harley Sales Sunday worksheet. That's our Harley Sales Sunday worksheet. In the data in the cell range A6 to A7 is on formatted time. Format the range A6 to A7 with the time format. So we will select A6 to A7. That is our cell A6 to A7. We will go to press 1. We will select the time format. And what time he is asking? 1:30 p.m. style. So we will go to the downside. That's our 1:30 p.m. style and press OK. We applied. Required. Using the fill handle, copy the content format of the and format the cell A76 to through the A6 to A28. So we will copy this format up to A28. Drag down this one. So you see we have got our results here downside. We will press Ctrl Z and we will select from here. When I selected first, the interval is for 1 hour, but when I selected from the start, its interval is half an hour interval. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is cell alignment can be used to improve the appearance of your worksheet. On the weekly sales worksheet, we will go to the weekly sales worksheet. That's our weekly sales worksheet. Right align the cell range A to A5 to A25. We will select A5 to A25, A5 to A25 and align right to the cell. Left align cells A5, A10, A15 and A19. We will select A5. Then what is A5, A10, A15 and A19? A5, A10, A15. Then we will select A19 and apply left align to these cells. We apply left align to these cells. Indent cell A5, A10, A15, A20's right align cells I4 to G4. So we will select I4 to G4. We will select I4 to G4. What we need to apply? Right align. We applied right align. And bottom align cell B4 to J4. So we will select B4 to J4. Bottom align. Here this is the bottom align. We will bottom align this one. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is sometimes it is helpful to display the information at an angle over vertical rather than the standard horizontal left to right. Rotating textual content can be very helpful in presenting information in the space efficient yet readable manners. Angle cell range B4 to G4, J4, counterclockwise orientation, bold and center the cell B4 to G4. So we will select the B4 to G4. That is our B4 to G4. What we need to apply? Counterclockwise orientation. We will open this one. And what we need to apply? Counterclockwise orientation. Here we need to select counterclockwise orientation. So counterclockwise orientation is here, or you will select from here. You will cancel this one and we will select angle counterclockwise. We will select this one. That's our counterclockwise orientation. Bold and center the cell range B4 to G4. We will bold this one and center these. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is fill color can be used to categorize information to brand row or column as means of assisting the reader to follow information across or down worksheet or highlight values. Format cell B4 to G4 and A4 to A25 with the gold accent for lighter 40 fill color. So we will select B4 to J4 and A4 to A25 and we will select A4 to A25 and what we need to apply which fill color? Gold accent 4 lighter 40. We will apply fill color gold accent 4 lighter 40. That's our gold accent 4 lighter 40. We will apply this color to these cell ranges. Format the cell A9, A14 and A18 with the no fill color. A4, A4 in which color? A4, A9, A14, A18. We will select A9, A9, A14 and A18. A14 and 18 with the no fill color. With the no fill color. That's our required step. We have completed our 8 steps. We have total 39 steps of this assignment. I have completed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.